and we are going to feed this cat. This cat is afraid of us, and we assume this cat is hungry or not. Something bad happened to this cat's eyes. So we fail at this time, or probably this cat doesn't want to eat. This cat is not hungry for now. So we have to go and look for other stray cats. Thanks for watching.